Good afternoon, everybody. This is Parrot. Alright, guys, I'm wheeling the... what's it called? I'm wheeling my little office chair. Freedom loves the sound of the wheels on these wood floors. Okay, so here, I'll zoom in on him. Okay, here we go. You ready? Here we go, Freedom. See how the tail feathers go out? It looks like you might have molted a feather because you're supposed to have 12 feathers. Freedom, did you lose some tail feathers? Hi, pretty bird. Remember, when your bird does this, it's called posturing. You do not, oh, look at the beautiful feathers. Oh, Freedom, you're so pretty. You do not want to get near your bird because they're very pumped up and they could bite you. Hey, Freedom. Overly excited. Hey, Freedom. You okay? Okay. We're going to go walking, and then we're going to... Freedom? Then we'll sit out on the screen porch, which we love. All right, Freedom. Hey, pretty boy. We're signing off with Freedom the Parrot. Have a great day.